Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool mineral here, and basically what this is a Brita water filter. If you see, the one that we got right here is a 10 cup. And what's really cool about this one is the fact that the way how they design it, it has this little lid on top that opens up so that way you pour the water through. And they also have this filter interior light to let you guys know when you guys need to change it, which is pretty cool as well. And the way how they design the product actually help you guys save space when you guys do put it into the fridge. But here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys open it, here is basically what the product looks like. So the top part right here is the filter interior light, like I mentioned, to let you guys know when you guys do need to change it. Right here is the hole for you guys to actually pour the water in. So that way you guys don't have to take the lid off if you guys don't want to. But you definitely still have the option available if you guys want to use that option. When you guys do take off the lid, they do provide you guys some more stuff inside. So they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And they also provide you guys a filter inside. So there's one right here. And they also provide you guys another one inside the package, so that way you guys have two of them. And if you guys are curious about how often you can change it, they do mention how you probably want to change it every like 2 to 4 months, depending on how often you use it. And also, if you guys notice the way how they designed the lid right here, it has an easy option for you guys to pour the water out, which is pretty cool. And obviously, if it's your first time using the product, you want to wash everything first to make sure it's clean before you guys pour the water in. And also, if it's your first time using the product, you probably want to open the filter and let it kind of run through a few times, maybe like 2 or 3 times before you guys actually drink the water. If you guys ever forget, they do provide you guys that instruction as well on the filter right here. And for these filters, they do have it available in many different packs. So whether if you guys want 1, 2, 3, I believe 5 or 10 or whatever, they have a bunch of different packs available. You can definitely do your own research to see how many you guys need. But let's open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open it, here is basically what the product looks like. So you see for the top part right here, they have this very nice design for you guys to hold it really easily. Right here, I believe is where the water will go through. And the bottom part is where the water will come out. So you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So all you need to do is just stick it in. Once you guys got it in, they then pour the water inside to filter the water and everything a few times before you guys do use it, like what I mentioned earlier. But once you guys do that, you can put the lid back on top. And I do want to let you guys know that if it's your first time using the product, you want to press and hold this button for 2 seconds. So that way you guys can reset it first. And once it resets, if you guys press it 1 time, they show you guys the filter is fine for now. So now let me actually go test out the product to show you guys how it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. All you need to do is just pour the water on top, or if you guys want to, you can definitely take off the lid as well. But I feel like this way is so much easier, so that would just pour the water directly inside. Just like that. So if you see if the water goes down too fast, that means the filter is not set up correctly. So what you guys can do is kind of fix it around and rinse it too, like I mentioned. Because in the beginning, you're probably going to see a lot of the black stuff that comes out, which is normal. So you basically want to rinse everything from the inside and outside, so that way everything is clean. Alright, so we got the filter in correctly. Now let's pour the water in. So you see how on the bottom of the water it comes out naturally now, because earlier it wasn't put on correctly. So you definitely want to make sure you guys put it on correctly, otherwise it will not be working correctly. Alright, so the water is filled, because you can see the water went all the way up. So we basically want to let the water kind of go down first before you guys add some more. But you can see the product definitely does work. Alright, so we got the cup right here. Let's pour some water out and see how well it works. So you see the way how they designed the lid, it does have a spill-proof design because none of the water leaked out. So the product definitely works pretty well. And the size of this 10 cup filter actually fits perfectly in your fridge. Just like that. Alright, welcome back guys. So next, a quick test of the product, and definitely see actually does work. Actually works quite well. I really like the design of the lid, so that way you can pour the water out really easily on top, and you guys don't even need to open the lid, which is really convenient. And the size of the water pitcher is like a perfect size for you guys to put into your fridge, which is really cool as well. If you see when we use the product to pour the water out, that works really well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to do unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality water filter pitcher that has a similar design as this one right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it.